Staining a 700 square foot deck that's been painted and peeling for 7 years is no joke, especially when your client wants pressure washing, board replacement, brightening, sanding, and staining all included. Here's the deal. First, you gotta be real about the time and effort each step takes. Pressure washing sounds easy, but doing it right to remove old paint flakes without damage takes patience. Board replacement means more than just swapping planks. It's about matching wood type and quality so the deck stays solid. Brightening the wood after washing helps the stain soak in evenly, so don't skip it. Sanding is key. If you miss rough spots, the stain won't look smooth or last long. When picking your stain, go for something durable and weather resistant, since this deck's already seen some wear. Always factor in drying times between steps, and never give a quote without adding a safety margin for unexpected problems like hidden rot or extra repairs. Lastly, make sure your warranty covers what could realistically go wrong for at least 2 years. Clients love that reassurance. One of the biggest mistakes is underpricing, because you want to win the job. Lowballing leads to stress and barely breaking even. Fix that by calculating your labor hours honestly and adding a buffer for surprises. Another common issue is skipping the prep work like pressure washing or sanding thoroughly. This ruins the final look and shortens stain life. Don't rush the prep. Take the time to prep well, or you'll just do the job twice. Third, many contractors forget to clearly explain what's included in their estimate, so clients expect extras for free and get annoyed. Avoid this by listing every task, material, and step up front so there are no surprises on either side. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot if you're trying to find solid local contractors who know their stuff and can handle big projects without drama. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners who need quality work done, making it easier to grow your business without chasing leads all day.